A strong woman isn't loud in her strength. She is steady, unshakable, and quietly fierce. Her power lies in the battles she fights that no one knows about, the tears she dries in private, and the dreams she refuses to let die. Strength doesn't always roar. Sometimes it whispers, keep going. A woman's life from the road to the kitchen. Sometimes the quiet moments say the most. Like this drive, people around me only see a woman driving. They don't see the life she has lived. They don't see the years of efforts carried silently. I have spent most of my life taking care of everyone else, making sure things work, making sure people are fed, safe, comfortable. Somewhere along the way, I stopped asking what I needed. There were dreams once, plans of a career, a future I imagined differently. But responsibilities arrive quietly, and once you accept them, they stay. For 25 long years, I chose family over myself. Not because I was weak, but because someone had to hold everything together. People say you don't work, but they don't see the mental load, the emotional strength, the planning that never stops. Household work has no timing, no holidays, no appreciation. Yet it continues. Days after days, months after months, and years after years. Times have changed. The world has moved forward. Technology has entered every home. But some responsibilities remain untouched by time. Cooking, caring, managing. These jobs don't evolve, they repeat. And just like that, I reach a place I have known all my life, the vegetable market. Today I am here to do my weekly vegetable shopping.
अच्छा निकालिए अच्छा
For many, this just is another errand, but for me, it is a ritual I have followed since childhood. I grew up loving household chores, going to the market, helping sort vegetables, cleaning, cutting, cooking. It made me feel connected to home. It made me feel useful. Over time, love became duty. Duty became responsibility. And responsibility became my life. I don't like buying vegetables
10 रुपए का
online because vegetables are not just items to be delivered. They need to be seen, touched, chosen with care.
ये लीजिए.
Here I can feel their freshness, see their color,
सारा 20 रुपए.
smell the earth still on them.
अच्छा वाला निकाला है.
No app can replace this connection.
बथुआ दे दीजिए. कितने का एक?
Vegetables are an important part of
बस
my
मुझे एक ही
meals.
चाहिए. अच्छा वाला निकालना.
I try to include them in almost everything I cook
भैया मूली
because
निकालिएगा.
food is not just taste,
भैया
it is health, it is balance, it is love served quietly. When I choose vegetables, I am choosing nourishment for my family. Before coming to the market, I already know in my mind what exactly I need. Because the meals ahead is already planned. Though I overindulge when I see greens, but then I make sure that I make a good utilization of each and every vegetable that I have picked up from the market, and nothing goes waste. The sight of vegetables are so tempting that I end up buying almost everything out there. Once I am home, the work doesn't end. It's the beginning of the second shift. Bags are opened, vegetables are sorted. Some need immediate cleaning, some need drying, some need careful storage. Every vegetable needs attention. Household chores are often underestimated. People think it's easy. But washing, cleaning, planning, this is physical, mental, and emotional labor. There is so much that happens before a final meal reaches the table. And most of it goes unnoticed. I have been doing this all my life. For 25 years, I sacrificed my career to make sure my family ate well. Warm meals, healthy food, food cooked with care, variety of dishes, no recipe repeated. Everything done so meticulously. I don't regret feeding my family, but I wish the effort was seen. I wish it was appreciated. I wish it was noticed. I wish it was acknowledged. And I think that's the story of every woman, every homemaker who has sacrificed her career for the life that she chose to be a homemaker. There is no regret, but I wish we were more celebrated. Every week I plan ahead. What will be cooked? What will be stored? What will be balanced? This planning is invisible, but without it, nothing runs smoothly. Times change like seasons. People grow. Lives move forward. But my responsibilities continue. My work remains the same. No breaks, no retirement, just a cycle that repeats. This vlog is not just about vegetables. It's about a woman's life, about invisible labor, about love expressed through daily routines. If you do this work, seen or unseen, know that it matters, even if